Welcome to new tutorials. In today's lecture, so we're going to discuss something new and this is very special. What is that? How can you make a bowl for drinking water within that? So let me show you how. This is something like I have made a bit. Now draw a line. Okay, what you do is draw a line of certain dimensions. Suppose up to here. Now again, draw a line, but make it like free and press F8 just up to here. Okay, then take an offset of 0.2 from this line in this direction, and also from this line and these directions. Now trim the extra portion, T or double enter, trim the extra portion. Now draw a line over here, also a line, and over here. Now just make sure you have a center line, and that is over here. Now do boundary inside the region to which you're going to revolve, do any 3D operation. This is my region. Now what to do is REV for revolution and select the body to which you want to revolve, and now just REV for revolution. Select the portions that you want to revolve and come here, click over here, and then annual point. What's the hell you are to tell me? REV for revolution. Select the body, now it's worked perfectly, but sometimes it makes nonsense. Something like, now I'm going to delete this extra portion, you see, this portion, and this is okay. Now we see in 3D. Well, how does this look like? Press the 3D L, and now let's see how amazing this is. So I hope you understand how can you do the different operations and some things, or how can you use the different commands. So this is patience. Okay, so hope you got the point and you learned something new, the tricks, and I hope you got something. So thanks for watching, wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wish you all the best.